Apple is about to launch a massive living room trap, and you're probably going to fall for it. Inside a box Apple is still selling right now for $199 sits a processor from an iPhone that launched all the way back in 2021. That's right. The current Apple TV 4K is running on 5-year-old tech. But here's the crazy part. According to multiple insider leaks, its replacement has been physically finished for months. Hardware complete, fully built, sitting inside a warehouse. So why hasn't Apple shipped it? Because Apple refused to release it until one critical piece was ready. A version of Siri that actually works. And that next-gen Siri is finally landing with iOS 27 this September. Which means the long-awaited Apple TV upgrade is dropping right behind it. If you've been looking at buying a streaming box lately, stop right there. MacRumors literally flipped their Apple TV buyer's guide from caution to a straight-up, do not buy months ago. Here is everything hiding inside Apple's secret new box, and why this is the biggest leap in Apple TV history. Let's open the hood, because what's happening inside this tiny black square is genuinely wild. For months, the most consistent reports pointed to the A17 Pro, a 3-nanometer monster with a 6-core GPU capable of hardware-accelerated ray tracing. That means console-quality lighting, realistic reflections, and legit gaming on your TV. But forget gaming for a second. The real reason this chip matters is Apple Intelligence. The current Apple TV 4K only has 4 GB of RAM. Apple Intelligence flat-out cannot run on any device with less than 8 GB. That means if you buy the current model today, you are purchasing a dead-end device. It will sit completely outside the entire Apple Intelligence ecosystem, no matter how many software updates Apple pushes to it over the next decade. The new model doubles that memory to 8 GB RAM, crossing the absolute minimum threshold needed to bring full-fledged AI to your living room. And because Apple has held back this release for so long, analysts now say the A17 Pro might just be the baseline. We could realistically see the A18 or even the A19 inside this thing at launch. It doesn't stop at raw compute. Connectivity is getting a massive overhaul thanks to Apple's proprietary N1 networking chip. We're talking full support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread. If you run a smart home, Thread support is massive. It turns your Apple TV into a true home hub, stitching your smart lights, door locks, and sensors into one fast local network without needing a single third-party bridge. And then there's the wildcard leak, an HDMI pass-through port. If true, this is a game-changer for clean setups. Instead of cluttering your TV's ports or fighting with eARC settings, you could route an extra device, like a PlayStation, Xbox, or Blu-ray player, directly through the Apple TV itself. And for everyone who's hated losing their remote between the couch cushions, multiple reports confirm a redesigned Siri remote is finally shipping alongside this box. Now, what is this going to cost you? Right now, Wall Street analysts are split into two completely opposite camps. On one side, some expect a price hike to $249, following the exact same wave of price increases that hit Macs, iPads, and standard accessories earlier this year. On the other side, some predict Apple might shock everyone with an aggressive drop to $99, specifically designed to wipe out Roku and Chromecast in the budget streaming space. Visually, don't expect a redesign. It's going to be the same compact, matte black box. But inside, it's a generational leap. Apple is scheduled to unveil this beast at their massive September event alongside the iPhone 18 Pro, the rumored iPhone Ultra, and the Apple Watch Ultra. 4.4 years between hardware updates is an eternity in consumer tech. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.